I would say once a week, once every 2 weeks, I would run a cycle of vinegar and baking soda. What this is going to do is just going to help break down whatever's sticking to the outer edges of the pipe or even that's stuck in your P-trap. Helps to kind of keep all those things flushed and keeps everything moving so you don't have any drainage problems or issues later on.
So what this is just a preventative maintenance. It'll help prolong your drains from clogging up. Just the vinegar and baking soda, it's not a treatment to fix a clogged drain. It can help with slowly draining. Generally, if that doesn't work, you're gonna have to actually snake the drain itself. Doing this often, like he said, either every couple weeks or even at least once a month type of thing to all your sinks and anywhere where you have like a P-trap, kitchen sink, vanity sink, bathtub, just pour the vinegar baking soda down. It's worth every penny. Tip number 3, check all our aerators, things that can build up crappy pressure coming out of your shower head or your sink faucet, vanity sink, kitchen sinks. They all have aerators. It's just like a little screen that sits inside the spout. Shower heads are a bit different, but the aerators themselves, they can usually just be twisted off. You twist them off, take the shower head off. You can also just twist the hose off, depending on what kind of shower head you have. You can also, if it's just like a fixed head coming out of the wall, you just take like a crescent wrench and unscrew the shower head, pop the shower head off, and soak it in vinegar. Same thing with the aerators. If it looks like it's building up a bunch of calcium, like it's looking white, or you're having kind of not very good pressure, take them out, soak them in vinegar. Even if they're not having the problem, it doesn't hurt to just do this once a month or something like that, once every 2 months. Take your aerators off and soak them in pure vinegar, and it will do wonders for you.
Jump into number 4. It's more of a seasonal one. Shut off your hose bibs and to drain them properly on the outside of the houses.